10 ways AI can make money. 1. Generated images. If you're interested in art and design, you can use AI to generate realistic images of objects, animals, and landscapes, which can be sold as stock images or used for various applications in design, gaming, and advertising. Using AI-generated images has many advantages. For one, it eliminates the need for expensive photo shoots, making it a more cost-effective solution for businesses that need high-quality images for their products or services. Additionally, AI-generated images can be customized to fit specific requirements, such as color schemes, lighting, and angles. As an entrepreneur, you can start your own business selling AI-generated images, either through online marketplaces or on your own website. You can offer different styles and categories of images, such as portraits, landscapes, or abstract art, and price them accordingly. 2. Generated music. If you're a musician or have a passion for music, you can use AI to generate original music compositions in different genres. This music can be sold as royalty-free music for commercial use or used for personal projects. Using AI-generated music has many benefits. It allows musicians to create new compositions faster and more efficiently, without the need for expensive studio equipment or live musicians. Additionally, AI-generated music can be customized to fit specific moods, tones, and themes, making it a versatile solution for various applications. As an entrepreneur, you can start your own business selling AI-generated music, either through online marketplaces or on your own website. You can offer different genres and styles of music, such as classical, jazz, or electronic, and price them based on length and complexity. You can also offer custom music composition services for clients who need original music for their projects. 3. Generated text. If you're a writer or have a talent for storytelling, you can use AI to generate articles, stories, or even poetry. This text can be sold as digital products or used for content creation. Using AI-generated text has many advantages. It can help content creators produce high-quality content faster and more efficiently, without the need for extensive research or writing skills. Additionally, AI-generated text can be customized to fit specific themes, tones, and styles, making it a versatile solution for various applications. As an entrepreneur, you can start your own business selling AI-generated text, either through online marketplaces or on your own website. You can offer different categories of text, such as news articles, product descriptions, or creative writing, and price them based on length and complexity. You can also offer custom writing services for clients who need original content for their projects. 4. Use AI to create personalized email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is an effective way for businesses to reach their target audience and promote their products or services. However, creating personalized email campaigns that resonate with subscribers can be a challenging and time-consuming task. This is where AI comes in. You can use AI tools like Phrase or Pasado to create personalized email marketing campaigns that can increase open rates and conversions. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and create email subject lines, copy, and calls to action that are more likely to resonate with subscribers. As an entrepreneur, you can offer AI-powered email marketing services to businesses. You can create customized email campaigns for clients based on their target audience and business goals. Additionally, you can provide analytics and insights on campaign performance to help clients optimize their email marketing strategies. 5. Generated designs. AI can generate unique designs such as logos, packaging, or even architecture, which can be sold as digital assets or used for commercial projects. The technology behind AI-generated designs is called generative design, which uses algorithms to create designs based on a set of rules and parameters. Generative design can help designers and businesses create original and innovative designs that are tailored to specific needs and preferences. This technology can also speed up the design process, reduce costs, and improve quality, making it a valuable tool for various industries. As an entrepreneur, you can start your own design business selling AI-generated designs. You can offer different design services, such as logo creation, packaging design, or architectural design. Additionally, you can provide custom design services for clients who need unique and personalized designs for their projects. 6. Generated voiceovers. AI can generate synthetic voices that sound like real human voices, which can be used for various applications in media, advertising, or even for audiobooks. The technology behind AI-generated voiceovers is called text-to-speech synthesis, which converts written text into spoken words using computer algorithms. AI-generated voiceovers can help businesses and content creators produce high-quality audio content faster and more efficiently. This technology can also provide access to diverse voices and languages, making it easier to reach a global audience. As an entrepreneur, you can offer AI-powered voiceover services to businesses and content creators. You can create customized voiceover scripts based on the client's needs and provide a range of voice options to choose from. Additionally, you can provide audio editing and post-production services to enhance the final product. 7. Generated artwork. AI can generate abstract or realistic artwork, which can be sold as digital prints or used for various applications in design, gaming, and advertising. The technology behind AI-generated artwork is called generative art, which uses algorithms to create unique and original art pieces. Generative art can help artists and designers explore new forms of creativity and generate large volumes of art pieces with minimal effort. This technology can also provide access to diverse styles and techniques, making it easier to create art pieces that cater to different tastes and preferences. As an entrepreneur, you can start your own art business selling AI-generated artwork. You can offer different art styles, such as abstract or realistic, and provide customized art pieces for clients who need unique and personalized designs. Additionally, you can collaborate with other businesses and designers to create customized art pieces for specific projects. 8. Use AI to optimize social media posts. You could use AI tools like Hootsuite Insights or Socialbakers to analyze social media data and optimize posts for better engagement and conversions. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze social media data and provide insights on the best times to post, the best type of content to post, and the optimal frequency of posting. By using AI-powered social media optimization tools, businesses and social media managers can improve their social media strategy and increase engagement with their followers. This technology can also help businesses save time and resources by automating the process of social media analysis and optimization. As an entrepreneur, you can offer social media optimization services to businesses and social media managers. You can provide customized social media analysis reports and optimization strategies that cater to the client's specific needs and preferences. Additionally, you can offer ongoing social media management services to ensure the client's social media presence is always optimized for maximum engagement and conversions. 9. Use AI to analyze website data. Another way to make money with AI is by using it to analyze website data. Tools like Google Analytics or Mixpanel can help you extract insights from your website traffic, such as which pages are most visited, where your visitors are coming from, and which marketing channels are most effective. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement in your website and marketing strategies. For example, you might discover that certain pages have a high bounce rate, indicating that visitors are leaving the site without taking any action. With this information, you can make changes to those pages to improve engagement and conversions. You could offer website analytics as a service to businesses, charging a fee for your expertise in analyzing and optimizing website data. 10. Use AI to create chatbots. Finally, you can use AI to create chatbots for businesses. Chatbots are software applications that can communicate with customers and answer questions, providing a more efficient and personalized customer service experience. Chatbot building platforms like Dialogflow or Chatfuel make it easy for anyone to create a chatbot, even if they don't have advanced programming skills. You can offer chatbot creation services to businesses, charging a fee for the initial setup and ongoing maintenance of the chatbot. Overall, there are many ways to make money with AI, from selling generated images, music, and artwork to providing personalized email marketing campaigns, lead generation services, and chatbot creation. The key is to find an area that interests you and matches your skills, and then develop a business model around it. With the growing demand for AI services, there's never been a better time to explore the possibilities of this exciting technology.